My name is Ashley Delgado. I'm the Blueprint Coffee Trainer. Just working with your hands and seeing a finished product is a very gratifying thing. When you really think about it, you're handling an organic material that's gone through so many forms of transformation. Whether it be science or art does become meditative because it's rinse and repeat, learn and grow, hone your craft, keep moving forward. Coffee is an art form to me because, like many different types of art form, you don't just become good at it out of the womb. It's something that you constantly have to work at and hone your skill at. So every single day that I'm making coffee, I can see the outcome of my hard work. So tiny, minuscule tasks usually add up to something beautiful in the end.